Assalamu alaikum guys, Eid is just around the corner and I can't wait to share this delicious recipe with you for your Eid celebration, Naan Gosht. Whether it's Eid, wedding or family gatherings, this Gujarati favourite is a must-have. Start by frying a mix of dry spices in sunflower oil, then add sliced onions and cook until deeply caramelized. Do not underestimate the power of perfectly caramelized onions in this recipe. Mastering the deep golden brown colour is key to unlocking the full flavour of Naan Gosht. Next, add garlic ginger paste and a blend of spices before stirring in the meat and let it cook slowly until it's 80% cooked. Then add the tomatoes, yogurt and the other spices. Continue cooking until the fresh tomatoes fully dissolve into the meat sauce. Finish off with bullet chilies for that spice kick and garnish with fresh coriander. Serve with fluffy Guji Naans to soak up that flavoursome sauce. Enjoy. The full detailed recipe can be found on HaloodieFoodie.com.